The process heat map is the ideal place to start when doing root cause analysis. At first glance, it gives you a clear visual overview of all your products and the processes they go through from start to finish, along with key metrics that quickly highlights areas of interest. First thing we might want to do is create one or more heat maps for a cleaner, more focused view of the data. The familiar filters like part number, levels, and time range are found in the top right corner. For a heat map, maybe we want to look at specific product groups or one specific production line. Or maybe you do want a view that looks at everything and you just need to filter out some unwanted processes like software debug. Once you have created your heat map and categorized and filtered for the data you want to look at, we can start our root cause analysis. We might see something right away that warrants a closer look, or it might not be obvious to us where the biggest issues lie. Either way, the quickest and easiest way to start root cause analysis is to leverage WATS Alvea. Alvea provides AI-driven suggestions by scanning through the heat map, recognizing patterns in the data, and providing actionable insights. Here, for example, this part number and process has an overall first pass yield of 87.7%, and Alvea has flagged one of the stations used as a deviation, estimating that if the test failures linked to this station were resolved, we could potentially see a yield gain of 7.2%. Clicking on the suggestion automatically opens a customized dynamic yield report with the relevant filters applied and the right columns added. So you can immediately see that one of the stations is indeed performing significantly worse than the others. And just like that, without having to set up anything manually or dig through data, you've uncovered a potential root cause, or at the very least found a clear starting point for deeper investigation into one of our most impactful manufacturing issues. In the next video, we'll continue our investigation by drilling down from the heat map into the test step analysis report, and from there, we'll dive even deeper into the individual step details to try and identify the root cause of the issue.